Evaluating limits to table of values. So we are going to review about definition of limit, where it states that if f of x becomes arbitrarily close to a unique number L as x approaches c from either side, then the limit of f of x as x approaches c is L. This is written as limit of f of x as x approaches c equals L. F of x is the function, and c here is constant number, and L stands for limit. Example, limit of x squared plus 1 as x approaches -1. So you need to make a table of values to table, since the left side is the left hand and the right side is the right hand limit. And c here is -1, since we are going to approach -1. What is left of -1 is -1.5, -1.2, -1.01, and -1.001. And for the right hand limit, we have the x values of -0.5, -0.8, -0.99, and -0.999. The x values, it depends to you what are going to use, as long as it follows that it is on the left side of that constant and on the right side of that constant number. Again, see here is a number being approached. To solve for the limit, we are going to get first the f of x or the y values, both left side, left hand, and right hand. We are just going to substitute the x values to x squared plus 1. Example, your x is -1.5 on the left hand. We are just going to substitute it to x, so -1.5, and then squared, and then plus 1. The result is 3.25. Thing follows, then just simply substitute the values of x in order to arrive with a certain limit. If you are done solving for the f of x, we need to observe the given f of x values. So, tanawin nyo asay gi-approach ana. You round down or round up. When you round off 3.25, that is 3. 2.44 becomes 2. 2.0201 is 2. 2.002001, that is 2. So their common is 2. The right hand, 1.25, that is 1. 1.64 becomes 2. 1.98 becomes 2. 1.998 becomes 2. Therefore, limit of x squared plus 1 as x approaches -1 is 2. We have another given, limit of absolute value of x as x approaches 0. In absolute value, it's either negative or positive. Still, the answer is positive, since both y values are approaching 0, therefore limit is 0. Another given, limit of x squared minus 5x plus 4 over x minus 1 as x approaches 1. So we have here table, and the answer is they are all approaching to -3, therefore limit is -3.